Hey drone enthusiasts, welcome back to 5 Minute Tech Time, the go-to place for all things tech. Today we're diving into an exciting combo that enhances your drone's safety and visibility, the DJI Mavic 2 Pro paired with the Firehouse Strobon Cree. Before we soar into the skies, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our drone adventures. The Strobon C-1 is tailor-made for DJI drones, including the Mini 4 Pro, Mavic 2 Pro, Mavic 3 Pro, Mini 3, Air 3, and more. Weighing in at less than 4 grams, it's perfect for DJI Mini 4 Pro, allowing you to add 2 without any balance issues and still stay under the 250-gram limit. No cables, no fuss. Simply attach it using the provided 15mm 3M dual lock fasteners or your favorite glue, Velcro, press the button, and you're ready to go. With powerful Cree LED, 2+ hours of continuous operation, and a user-friendly single-button interface, the Strobon C-1 is a breeze to use. Choose from white, red, green, or blue, each serving a specific purpose. White and red offer the best visibility for long-range strobes, while green helps identify your drone's direction. Blue? Well, that's reserved for special applications. Checking the battery status is a blink away, and with a 2-hour charge time using the USB Type-C port, you'll be back in the air in no time. The Strobon C-1 is not just a strobe, it's a smart strobe with a PCM module, protecting the battery for a long, reliable life. Whether you're a recreational flyer or a professional pilot, the Strobon C-1 Cree is a game changer for your drone's visibility. Now, let's pair it up with the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and see these two in action. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll take the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and the Strobon C-1 Cree on a breathtaking adventure. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and drop a comment below sharing your thoughts. Until next time, happy flying. If you're as excited as we are about the possibilities these two bring together, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of drone enthusiasts. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.